Taking a decision is not an easy task. People are keep moving into plus or minus. In Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Arjun was also confused at peak point before the war of Mahabharata. He was totally dissolved in last point. An attachment come in front of him and he was very depressed. He was not taking a decision. He was not able to do this. That he should have had fight or not fight with his relatives. So many confusion raised along with his in this attachment. He was murmuring and hopeless. He was sat down and he had left his weapons also. Lord Krishna removed all confusions at that time and given an enlightenment to him. Time to time, many odd conditions comes in our life, and we are depressed like Arjun and not able to take a decision. Our mind is in dilemma. Its main cause to our failure. Many times we take the help from others to finalize the decision, and many times our emotions very high. It goes beyond our mind and our logics. The solution for this, write down your problems with pen and paper or in a diary. Take out the conclusions in between of plus or minus. If you become yourself single mind, it's your success. This is the first step of success because you analyze your all conditions and take out a decision and you have sorted out the problems. You are a troubleshooter. You are a master in yourself. Everyone has no power to take the decisions. It's a leadership virtue. If you do decisions time to time on daily basis or accordingly yourself, it means one day you will get success. Sure, then sure.